morning class. Welcome to VPSC Learning again. I am your English teacher Madhulika Trivedi class. As we have started revision of our English work. First, as I told you, one day we will do revision of literature and one day revision of language. As we have started revision of chapter number 2 in literature, now we have to do revision of chapter number 3, Robinson Crusoe. So class, watch the video carefully and then learn word meaning and question answer of the chapter number 3rd. And then tomorrow we will start revision of chapter number 14 in language book. So watch the video carefully class. Class, chapter number 3rd, Robinson Crusoe. First we have to start revision of word meaning. Word meaning: ammunition means class bullet or weapons, shells, missiles, and other things used as a weapons. And then course means way or route. Gigantic means class huge, very large. Hurricane, it is a type of tropical storm. And then mats, a vertical pole that supports the sail on a ship, means a long pole which is be used to support the sails on a ship. Overboard, over the side of a ship and into the water. Resolve, set on a particular course of action, means decided. Resolve means to decide something. Stockade class, a tall fence means boundary or enclosure made of wooden. And then tornado, again class destructive funnel shaped rotating column of air, means windstorm. And then violent, using physical force to cause hurt or damage. And voyage, a journey by sea or air. Now question answer. First question is, who was Daniel Defoe? Who was Daniel Defoe? Answer is, Daniel Defoe was an English merchant, writer, journalist. He wrote on many different topics, both fiction and non-fiction. And Robinson Crusoe is his best known novel. Robinson Crusoe is a novel. Now, the second question is, what happened about the week after Robinson Crusoe started his voyage? What happened? A strong storm damaged boat of Robinson Crusoe. And what did Robinson Crusoe do when he woke up? When he woke up, he decided to go to the sea again and to find out the ship. What did Robinson Crusoe take from the ship? In your view, which item would have proved most careful? Robinson Crusoe had to some things like food item, weapons, mats, pole, clothes, such type of things, and axe also. And axe was the most useful thing. How did Robinson Crusoe discover he lived on an island? When he went up on the hill, then he found that he was living on an island. What are some tasks Robinson Crusoe did on the island? What? He learned to grow crops and made a wooden house, and how to manage alone in the house. What are the something he found on the island? He found wild grapes and wild beets on the island. So class, watch the video carefully and learn question answer of chapter number 3rd.